Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Sushmita and welcome to another video. So today's video I'm going to be sharing with you all what I eat in a day. So today is a Sunday, so obviously it's a cheat day. Sunday by default becomes a cheat day for anyone, I think so. Nene diet chestunanani em kaadu, but on weekdays I mostly be little conscious on what I eat, like how much sugar I take. But on a Sunday I let it loose and eat whatever on my mind. So అందుకే సండే రోజు చేస్తున్నాను ఈ వీడియో. So if you guys want to see what I eat in a day on a regular basis, like on a weekday when I'm doing a diet or kind of a diet, then please let me know in the comment section. Also let me know in the comment section if you want me to continue doing these type of videos in Telugu or in English, because I'm very confused. So please help your girl out. I am actually very interested in trying my hands out on lifestyle videos, daily vlogs. నాకు personally చాలా ఇష్టం ఇలాంటి వీడియోస్ యూట్యూబ్లో చూడడం. This is the first time I'm doing this sort of a video, so please do encourage me, hit the subscribe button and let me know in the comment section which type of videos you want to see next, like daily vlogs, what I eat in a day na. Let me know anything and I'll try to do those videos. So time right now is actually around noon, but నేను ఈ వీడియో ఆల్రెడీ మార్నింగే స్టార్ట్ చేశాను, మార్నింగ్ నుంచి నేను ఏం తిన్నాను అని. So please keep watching till the end. I'm sure it's going to be a lot of fun.
ప్రోగ్రామ్ ప్లాన్ చేయాలి.
So that's it for this video. I really hope you guys like this type of content, because I want to do more such content. Please subscribe to my channel and hit the like button. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.